My wife and my girlfriend kissed me on the same day.
Joe, do I look friendly to you?
You're a tiny little kitten of joy and love.
Kitten, kitten.
You're a tiny little kitten of joy and love.
She presents with multiple syncopal episodes and ventricular arrhythmia.
So you've been passing out.
Yeah, and having palpitations.
Palpitation, palpitation.
Yeah, and having palpitations.
Valvular disease, mitral valve prolapse, stimulants, drugs, and metabolic abnormalities.
Abnormality, abnormality.
And metabolic abnormalities. Yes, exactly, George. Thank you.
And we appreciate your dedication, but you're staying in bed until it normalizes.
Normalize, normalize.
But you're staying in bed until it normalizes.
I keep telling her there's more to life than surgery and career.
Mother, go poster something.
Upholster, upholster.
Mother, go poster something.
The oral surgeon? I'm remarried. Been remarried since Christina was what? About 3.
Remarry, remarry.
Been remarried since Christina was what? About 3.
Okay, we both have tonight off, so...
You are so intimate.
Shut up.
Sad, the wash up, the adoration.
Adoration, adoration.
Shut up.
Sad, the wash up, the adoration.
Shut up.
Sad, the wash up, the adoration. And I'm so handsome, I intoxicate you.
Intoxicate, intoxicate.
And I'm so handsome, I intoxicate you.
I'm redoing the living room in beige silks.
Beige, beige.
I'm redoing the living room in beige silks.
Dr. Gray, how are you doing?
You're here, good. I need the results of the barium esophagram or the EGD.
Barium, barium.
I need the results of the barium esophagram or the EGD.
You're not my doctor. You shouldn't even be here.
She's right. You shouldn't be here. I saw her take unauthorized medication.
Unauthorized, unauthorized.
You shouldn't be here. I saw her take unauthorized medication. You shouldn't be here. I saw her take unauthorized medication.
I'm on the pill. And I had grapefruit juice this morning, since the juice inhibits enzymes involved.
Grapefruit, grapefruit.
And I had grapefruit juice this morning, since the juice inhibits enzymes involved.
I'm trying to poach my girl about it.
This is ridiculous. Could you just go back to bed and stop poaching my patient?
Poach, poach.
You just go back to bed and stop poaching my patient.
Diffused enlargement of the pancreas, that with his hypoglycemic seizures.
He's gonna need exploratory laparotomy.
Exploratory, exploratory.
He's gonna need exploratory laparotomy.
This isn't your area. I'm just saying,
I did 2 years genetics research in cystic fibrosis.
Fibrosis, fibrosis.
I did 2 years genetics research in cystic fibrosis.
You scared us a little there. How's the workup coming?
Electrolytes are within normal limits. Urine tox was negative and EKG is fine.
Electrolyte, electrolyte.
Electrolytes are within normal limits. Urine tox was negative and EKG is fine. We won't know for sure until we go in there, but it looks like that I'm gonna have to take out your pancreas and...
Pancreas, pancreas.
But it looks like that I'm gonna have to take out your pancreas and...
Meredith's got the CF case, Al's got the gunshot wound, Izzy's got the mystery arrhythmias.
Rhythmia. Rhythmia.
Izzy's got the mystery arrhythmias.
The echo test showed mild mitral stenosis. The TIL test was negative. We're doing EP studies.
I can tell you what's wrong with her without sticking electrodes in her heart.
Electrode. Electrode.
I can tell you what's wrong with her without sticking electrodes in her heart.
Really? Just by the chart?
No, from the pills she took.
They were contraceptives, Christina. What?
Contraceptive. Contraceptive.
They were contraceptives, Christina. What? She'd have to be crazy to do that.
No. She'd have to have Munchausen's.
Okay, wait. You think she's secretly ingesting something?
Ingest. Ingest.
Okay, wait. You think she's secretly ingesting something?
We're using 3 different catheters. Why are we doing that, Dr. Stevens?
Catheter. Catheter.
We're using 3 different catheters. Why are we doing that, Dr. Stevens?
Here, give me some suction there. Now, Gray, retract the duodenum.
Duodenum. Duodenum.
Gray, retract the duodenum.
The hospital grants you 4 months to retake the exam. You study it, you pass it, you put it behind you. One misstep doesn't affect your career.
Misstep. Misstep.
One misstep doesn't affect your career.
The world of pretend is a cage, not a cocoon.
Cocoon. Cocoon.
The world of pretend is a cage, not a cocoon.